Good morning, everyone. Now, today's we have to discuss about the jamavar, which is a kind of fabric. Basically, today's which is available in the form of or in the clothing, you can say in shawls or in clothing sets, sarees, dupattas. So, this topic is from the subject of traditional Indian textiles for the third semester students. So let's start with the presentation. So first is introduction. Jamawar, which is also spelled as Jamawar, is a fabric that has its roots in Kashmir. So Jamawar starts from the Kashmir, its origin from Kashmir. The word Jama means a robe or a shawl, and war means yard, means its unit in lengthwise. People in the earlier times used to buy a yard of Jamawar shawl to protect themselves from the chilly winter. The Jamawar is an adulterated form of Pashmina silk since it contains a blend of cotton and wool. So both fabric are blended to making a Jamawar shawl. Usually a single shawl or fabric has a blend of many hues or colors. So multiple color can be used for the weaving of Jamawar shawl, which renders as inimitable uniqueness to the shawl, which gives a royal and different look in comparison to other shawls. Appearance and quality. The design in the jamawar is completely woven into the fabric with no loose thread on the back side. So while the process of weaving, you can see the back side of the jamawar shawl is properly manageable, no loose thread as we see in the Banarsi weave where unlike Banarsi weave, where loose threads are not stitched neatly at the back side of the jama of the Banarsi or brocade fabric. You can see in the brocade fabric, the back side of the fabric is loose weaved, but in Jamawar shawls, you can see the back is also neatly weaved without loose threads. Traditionally, Jamawar is used for making shawls, but now it is also used in different designer sarees, blouses, household things like bed sheets, cushion covers, tablecloths and curtains, etc. The intricate paisley motifs and designs on a fabric truly gives a rich and distinctive look. So the design, which is in intricate form, can be used for the Jamawar shawls and different types of designer clothes in the form of motifs, paisley motifs. Jamawar shawls were hand woven, so it is a totally hand woven process and crafted out of pure silk. The fabric is pure silk. Its origin and history, traveling from Persia to Kashmir, this fabric reached the Indian subcontinent around 5 centuries ago. But this luxurious fabric reached its ultimate crest during the Mughal region when Mughal Emperor Akbar patronage gave way to this fabric in India. Historically, Jamawar shawls were hand woven and it used to take years and sometimes even a decade to finish weaving a single shawl. With the intention of jacquard loom in the 18th century, Jamawar became more affordable. In 19th century, saw major innovations in weaving, skilled embroidery work and flawless weaves accentuated this fabric. However, by the end of 19th century, the art of Jamawar weaving began to fade away as the patronage of Mughals went down. Historically, Jamawar were crafted out of pure silk and were exclusively worn by the royal and aristocrat class. So these are the images of Jamawar shawls in which you can see the intricate designs and motifs. The paisley is the common motif which is used in the Jamawar weaving. Reviving the art. In recent years, the Indian government has attempted and initiated some programs that work towards the revival of the Jamawar art. So, governments also has attempted so many programs and taken so many initiative to promote this art in the public or market. A shawl weaving center at Kanihama in Kashmir was opened for promoting the production of these wares. Likewise, innovative production of these sarees by craftsmen in Varanasi are also helping in keeping intact the relevance of the fabric. Each Jamawar sari is a shimmering weave of intricate designs where the palette spans from traditional rich shades to delicate pastels. Each sari takes a minimum of 3 months to finish. So rapid innovations are taking place to make Jamawar more popular not just in India but all across the world. To maintain the royal glory of the Jamawar sarees, most of the saree creations now have matching silk shawls attached to them. Jamawar sarees are being woven using variants of silk like Pashmina and Banarsi. Weavers are also drawing inspirations from the weaving techniques from Bhutan. So, maintenance, the Jamawar silk weaves should preferably be dry pleats. Due to very delicate threads has been used in Jamawar weaving. The process is totally hand woven, so the special maintenance is required for the Jamawar clothing. The cotton and other blends of Jamawar could be hand washed or slow machine washed using mild detergent. So I think you all will understand the presentation very well. So thank you very much.